If y'all gonna be great on that field, you gotta have a why. You gotta have a reason for why you do what you do.
The human brain is phenomenal, and it can think like of a million and something different things. It does not have the capacity to think of two things at once. You're having a bad day, stop being immature. Fix it, stop it, and fix the day. So if you're having a bad day or having a bad moment, it means you're probably focusing on what?
If you're 29, you have a different set of perspectives than when you were 24. I think about every 5 years I went through some sort of process of re-examining where I was in life. And now, when I'm old, I don't want to play the young man who's trying to figure out the life. I want to play a man of bitter compromise. I want to be someone who's been through something. So I think it's a never-ending process of thinking where you are in life as a human being and then making it reflect in your work somehow. Let me tell you a story of 3 men who could no longer sleep because of their constant worries. So they set out on a pilgrimage to find a wise man who lived high in the mountain. When they reached there, the first man told him, "I fear death." The wise man replied, "Let me take away this fear, my friend. Death will not come to call until you are ready for its embrace." The wise man bantered to the second pilgrim and said, "What is your fear, my friend?" He said, "I fear my new neighbors. They are strangers, so observe holy days different, and have many kids. They play loud music." "I will take away this fear, my friend," replied the wise man. "Return to your home and make a cake for your new neighbors. Bring toys to their children. Join them in their songs and learn their ways, and you will become familiar with these neighbors, and your fear will go away." The positives balance the negatives. Fear is cheap, easy, gets attention, glamorous, juicy, profitable, spreads as fast as gossips. Fear twists facts into fiction that become indistinguishable from ignorance. Now just get away from your fear and make incredible things happen. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button.
Whatever that bad thing is, that's what you're focusing on. You got to practice what you preach. So the other day, she did something like she might have washed my wallet. So then she did something the other day that was sweet, and I didn't say nothing about it. Let me get some energy. Like, you ain't giving me the same energy you give me when I put the wallet in there. I need the same energy on the positive stuff. And that's what's going wrong. When something negative happens in your life, you giving it mad energy. When something good happens, you acting like it's supposed to happen. My girl like, "Yo, you came home from being on the road. I had the crib clean. Did you even notice the house was clean?" That's why your life messed up, because you focus on the stuff that's wrong. You're not putting the same energy on what's right. And it's just weird how we are as humans. We notice the bad and we talk about the bad, but we don't notice the good and talk about the good. We don't harp on the good. Bro, when you was homeless and a high school dropout, she convinced you to get your GED and go to college with her. Why are you tripping on the wallet? Have you lost your mind? This person has changed your life. That's what you're focusing on. Somebody talk back to me. Am I lying? Talk back to me. And that's what you do wrong. You focus so much on the negative that you forget all the positive. And then when you do think about the positive, you're not putting the energy in the positive like you put in the negative. Don't focus on that. If you focus on that, you're going to be struggling. So if you want to focus on how cold it is, you're about to have 8 months of a nightmare. I say we don't got mosquito problems like y'all got. I just make up something. We don't got mosquitoes like that. They dead. We don't have that problem in November here. Ain't nobody getting bit by nothing out here but frostbite. That's the only thing that people get. Like, yo, for real, I keep it optimistic, not because I'm stupid. Like, people be coming up to me like, I can be negative just like you negative. I see crazy stuff happening just like you see it. I see what you see. I see kids on the block shooting and killing each other. But I see what's going on. But I don't want to focus on that, because if I put my energy into something negative, automatically my body's going to respond and I'm going to start doing negative stuff. That's the way the body is designed. You talk negative and your body does negative. You talk negative, you get diseases. I know how to talk negative. I've been in struggles too. But I've come to realize that when you think optimistically and you speak positively, you can say certain things out your mouth and make it happen. I'm not dumb. I know how to talk negative just like you know how to talk negative, but it don't work. It don't help nobody. So it's no secret, because you focusing on stuff you ain't got no business focusing on. You can't control that.
You know, I realized the reason why I'm so successful and the reason why I don't get in trouble like I used to when I was younger is because when I was younger, man, my schedule had so many gaps in it. It's not that I'm sweeter than nobody. The devil can't get to me because all my time is taken up. I got up the other day like at 3 o'clock in the morning and I woke up and I was just walking around like I was like, I'm so tired. He's like, why you getting up this early? You already #1 in the world. You already doing what you're supposed to be doing. Like, you've been grinding. Just go ahead, it's 3. And my body said, yo, E, what would you go back to sleep for? I said, I'm tired. My body said, you're not tired. I said, well, why would you say I'm not tired? He said, because you woke up without an alarm clock. You woke yourself up. So if you were tired, your body wouldn't let you get up. What you don't want to do is the grind, but you're up. So do me a favor, Eric, you don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to work. You've been getting up at 3 so early in the morning, don't even worry about it. Just put your shoes on, and when you get on the treadmill, it's just gonna do it for you because you've been doing it every day. Just put your shoes on, and I'll do the rest. I can't put your shoes on for you, but put your shoes on, and then just go. And I was just walking for an hour, and I was just like, you know what, it's almost an hour, I don't feel like running.